All right, so what we're doing, not yet. So what we're doing here is, this is sourdough that's been fermenting for 2.5 hours. Ben, you're blocking it, buddy. Excuse me. For 2.5 hours, it's been fermenting in what's called the bulk rise. And we're about to divide it into our 2 loaves. So we dust our surface, and we also put a little flour on the actual dough itself. We have our dough knife ready to go. We have our dusting flour, and we have our baskets. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide the dough into 2 equal pieces. Tell it what shape we want it to go into. Like, if we want it to be round, so we're going to do an initial shaping, a pre-shaping. Doesn't matter. And then let's get into it. Dough scraper, stay there. Over here. So sometimes it's a little sticky, but this is a high hydration recipe, so it means there's a lot of water to the water flour ratio. So you take it out, dump it, and first thing you do is give it a good coating in flour. Don't worry about it. If it feels like too much, it's probably not enough, as they say in most things. So look how the dough is. What you're looking for, you know when it's fermented, when it doesn't taper down like to a triangle, when it has a bit of a rounded body to it, that means it's been fermenting. I'm gonna record.
Can I help?
So I'm actually gonna, no, you can actually watch and learn. How about that? So I'm just gonna eyeball what half means and just cut, and the way to cut is straight down and push to the side. So we'll do one at a time. And again, this is called pre-shaping. You do it in 2 phases because you train the dough where you want it to go. So you take it, fold it, wrap it, and roll it like this. Just without pushing down on it, you're guiding it, and that's it. You want the seam to be underneath, and you want the skin. You're basically pulling a tight skin, and that one goes. Take the next one, dust it off a bit. Same deal. Fold, roll, and then close it up. And I can tell already that the final bake, there's going to be some gaps, and I'm not happy about it, but you know what? We can live with that. It's still delicious bread, no matter what it actually looks like. So then I'll just dust these again, because now we let this, it's called a bench rest. So we've trained it. This is the final shape we want, but we're just training it. We're going to let the dough and the gluten structure reform, and we can cover it with a wet towel, a wet clean towel, and just give it 20 minutes. So we'll be back.